Bismillah. Let's talk about the heartbreak in parenting. I came across a post that touched my heart. I'm sharing it here because I know so many parents need to hear this. I don't know who wrote it though, the author wasn't mentioned, but the message is worth spreading. Here it goes. No one tells you that parenthood is a kind of slow bereavement. When you first hold a child in your arms, you think only of beginnings, tiny fingers curled like roots around your own, eyes wide with a trust so absolute it humbles you. You imagine the years ahead as an exciting story of growth, but laced into every loving moment is the whisper of an ending. As parents, you both build a home heavy with warmth, where laughter fills the rafters and the patter of small feet is the rhythm of your days, their voices bubbling with delight from the very rhythm of life. You live inside that music, and you live in conscious denial that it will ever fade, but you both know it will. When you both muster the courage, you even mention it in late-night conversations. One day the toys or shoes will no longer be scattered across the floor like confetti. The evening rituals will dissolve into memory. The house will be too clean, too quiet, and the silence will feel heavier than any noise once did. It is not rebellion that they will leave, but in the natural way that children must. They will go to build families of their own, carrying a piece of you into futures where you have no central role. And that is the cruel paradox. You raise them to be intelligent, virtuous, strong, independent, capable of love. You succeed only by making yourself unnecessary in yesterday's news. Your joy in watching them flourish is twined with a grief so deep it feels unspeakable. In their departure lies the ending of your own little kingdom. One of giggles, curiosity, tears, and everyday mundane miracles that made up your family. Even if they live nearby or stay under the same roof, the spell is broken. The moment has passed. It's like grieving something inevitable, mourning a life while it still exists. You catch yourself sometimes watching them play or banter and feel the pang of knowing these days will not last forever. You hear their laughter from another room, pierced by the knowledge that one day it will be gone, and your walls will echo with absence. And yet perhaps that is love at its truest, where joy is entwined with sorrow, creation entwined with loss. To give yourself so wholly that you rejoice in their growing and leaving, even as it breaks your heart. Parenthood is the art of building something meant to dissolve, of tending a fire you know must one day burn in another home. In the end, you will sit in the quiet and remember the chaos. You and your spouse will chat about cherished memories and understand what felt then like ordinary days were, in truth, the most extraordinary and beloved days you ever experienced. The post ends here, but I'd like to add that as Muslims, we believe that nothing good is truly ever lost. Every late night, every sacrifice, every ounce of patience, every heartbreak, every accomplishment, if done for the sake of Allah subhanahu, builds for you a never-ending mountains of reward. You are raising Muslim children who will one day raise Muslim children of their own. And every salah they pray, every ayah they recite, every good deed they do, you share the reward, bi'idhnillah, generation after generation, a river of sadaqah jariyah flowing back to you long after your home quiets down. Therefore, hold on to the dua of Ibrahim alayhi salam, where he says, رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي. Ya Allah, make me one who establishes prayer, and from my children and offspring as well. Ladies, tell me below, what season of parenthood are you in right now? I'll leave some resources for you in the description below, inshallah. Some are paid, but many are completely free. Take whatever benefits you. But if you truly want to transform the atmosphere of your home, then one of the most impactful things you can do for yourself and for your family is to get a grip on your triggers. Manage your impulses. Interrupt the urge to yell. Break the cycle of reacting before you even realize it. Because as you know, your time of impacting your children is limited. That is exactly why I created a mini course called Your Path to Lasting Calm, specifically designed to help you understand your triggers, calm your impulses, break the urge to scream and snap, and bring more gentleness into your home. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum.